So I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to grab the information over the doctor's name. This is very simple. You come to your contact session, click on more filters. You're going to type doctors. Doctor's name is not empty, and hit apply. In this case, in this account, we have 0 records, but you will have. So please don't click on that icon. You just need it. You just leave it how it is, and you click here into columns, and you find doctor's name. This is going to allow you to see all the doctor's name you have in your file. And if you need to have a report over this, you click on Export Contacts. In this case, you're going to select all the contacts that you have, Export Contacts, and Export Contacts again. This is how you take the report.
Okay, can we jump forward, or can you just explain perhaps, once they have that information exported, it'll come into an Excel file for them, but then they have to, on their own, using Google or whatever, get the telephone number, addresses of the doctors that are listed, and so they'll be in charge of that. Now, can we role play how you would upload something like that? How would you begin an upload of their Excel spreadsheet, say, 4 days later when it's all completed?
This is very simple. If you want to upload a file, you click here into Import Contacts. It needs to be a CSV.
Okay.
When you click into Upload File, you will select any file you have on your computer. I don't have any testing file here.
That's okay. That's fine.
And when you click Next, what is going to happen is that you're going to match the column name with the column name, the column phone with the column phone. Hit Next, and you have your spreadsheet uploaded. Also, if you want to add a tag to it, you see an option at the bottom to add new tags. If you want to follow up later, you can add them there.
And you would add that where? I'm sorry. Would you go back over that where, because I do want them to have a tag. I'm not sure, we may decide together if it's BD for business development or EMP, because I want them able to run smart lists and things like that later. So is this where they can do that? Is that what you were saying?
Yes, in this very same screen, you will see an option to add a tag to all the contacts on this specific file. It can be multiple tags or just one.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's so helpful. I appreciate that so much. I feel like then they will have that back in. Now, I've created a sample pipe drive for this information. I believe that I have the ability to, I don't know what the official word is, but to basically dump a pipeline into people's system. I think via Tammy and our team, we can do that. So I'm thinking that they won't have to do that part. It would just be created in their system, and then we would have to make sure that it gets directed into the right pipeline. Because I know in my sample, I actually have funnels and everything for business development, right? So would I be able to do that part? And would this report, with this file that they're importing, know where to go? Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. If you have all your pipelines and your automations in one account, we can share that with another accounts with a snapshot. And after you have your automations in place, to add the contacts you want into that automation, you're going to do the same thing. You just select the contacts you want to place on that automation, of course, before you
Mm-hmm.
filter them by tag or any feature you want. You select them and you click on this little robot, add to campaign workflow. Okay, proceed, and you select the campaign you want them to go.
Perfect. Okay. Wow. That kind of jumped ahead, so I know my eyes are a little foggy, but it'll all come to pass as we go through the steps. That's why we're doing it like this. So I may have to call you back and have you help us again. But once this is set up and once this is done, it's going to be easy for them moving forward to put all their data and all their follow-ups and all of that in one place using y'all's system. So thank you very, very much. I can't thank you enough for your help.
Sure, and let me know if you're participating in any other session and want me to jump in. I'll be happy to.
Really, I may very well invite you then. Our first one is next week. I'll go ahead and put you on the invite, and you may not have to jump in, but you might. So
Yeah, no, just let me know in a few days ahead because I just need to see our schedule and not schedule anything on that time, and I'll be
perfect.
able to
Well,
participate.
our first, yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you know via email or give you a shout. May I use the phone number you called me on this morning?
Yes, for sure.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that too. I can text you, and that way we'll be in constant contact for a little bit. Thank you again so much. Have a great Monday.
Thank you. Have a great one. Bye bye.
Thanks. Stay warm. Bye bye.